Hi guys! Hello! Hey there! I'm Chandni and you're watching the Art of Science. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. In today's video, we are going to learn about mirrors. When light falls on an object, one of the three things happen. If the object is transparent, light passes through the object. If the object is opaque, then the light is absorbed. If the object has a shiny surface like mirrors, then the light is reflected back. The most common type of mirrors are plane mirrors and spherical mirrors. Plane mirrors are the ones that you use on a daily basis. They have flat surfaces and can be used to create so many tricks, DIYs, toys, and much more. You may not realize this, but you also use spherical mirrors on a daily basis. They are simply put curved mirrors. They have curved surfaces. Here's the most simple example. A spoon. You see, the reflecting surfaces of the spoon are curved. These mirrors are actually sections or parts of a reflecting sphere. Let's take this sphere and assume that it has reflecting surfaces. Now let's cut out a section from it. If the sphere's reflecting side is on the inside, much like the inside of the spoon, then this is called a concave mirror. Concave mirrors curve inwards. But if the sphere's outer surface is the reflecting one, like the back of the spoon, then it's called a convex mirror. Convex mirrors bulge outwards. When light rays fall on a concave mirror, they collect these rays and converge or refocus them to a single point. We call this point the focus. On the other hand, when light falls on convex mirrors, the mirror diverges the light. If you trace these reflected or diverged rays backwards, they all meet at a point behind the mirror. And this point is also known as the focus. Because of the way they reflect the light, concave mirrors are known as converging mirrors and convex mirrors are known as diverging mirrors. If you look at yourself in the concave side of the spoon, you'll appear to be upside down. This pencil is also upside down. But if I take it closer, you'll notice that it not only becomes erect, but it also magnifies. When the position of the object is at the focus, it will magnify by a huge margin. If I take it farther, that is behind the focus, then the image will be inverted. If the pencil is taken closer, the image will be erect and magnified. Shaving mirrors and makeup mirrors are concave mirrors, since they produce magnified images that help you see clearly. Concave mirrors are also used in torchlights and headlights of vehicles. The light is placed at the focus of the mirror, so after reflecting, huge light beams are produced. When you see yourself in a convex mirror, you'll notice that you look much smaller and diminished than usual. You'll also notice that they cover a huge area. It is the diverging property of convex mirrors that give them a huge field of view, and this is why convex mirrors are very commonly used as the rear view mirrors and side mirrors in vehicles. They may appear to be flat, but if you move your thumb above them, you'll feel them slightly bulging outwards. This is also why in the rear view mirrors you will find it written that the objects in the mirror are closer than they appear, because as you remember, the images on convex mirrors are diminished, which can give you the impression that the object is a little far away from you. Convex mirrors are also commonly used at road intersections. Sometimes both sides of the road may not be properly visible, and in these cases, convex mirrors provide a high lateral visibility since they provide a wider field of view. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next week.